Merhaba hocam. Interestingly, there is an increasing interest in the automation department and mechatronics department in the world. Couch. Uh, there are many types of indicators of machines used in factory systems, such as analog indicators and digital indicators. Exhaust. Emission exhausts have now being protected in the world to prevent air pollution of car exhaust. Displacement. In your country, factory systems must be replaced with new generation factory systems. Cons. They are quickly teaching the newly released humanoid robots the skills of conveniently contained everything. Clutch. The trick to driving manual vehicles is that you should do the clue concept where brake. Most of the new generation trucks have been equipped with a powerful and autonomous braking systems. Against res- resistance is the measurement of the effect that occurs against the flow of current in an electric circuit. Vehicle. The Tesla, you can get the tools and equipment you need to have to make or hire robots from the internet view tools. The Tesla company under the leadership of Elon Musk produces electric vehicles through reducing dependence on fossil fuel. Steering. The ability to handle difficult situations, which is one of the main goals of engineering, must be present in all engineers. Driver. One of the topics taught in physics is physical problems calculations such as flow direction, velocity are made. Provide. I think that the control and automation department that I am studying will allow me to get to good places in my professional life. Agent. The ability to take autonomy still has accelerated in new developing factory technology. Multi. The nave used before has a multi-input feature that makes it easy for people. Let light emitting cells. Currently, government is leading the way in industrial production and training of engineers all over the world in my opinion. Independently, it is necessary that technology develops and algorithmic work processed independently in our country. General. In general, the ship crisis has affected the whole world, and it seems that there is a high probability that the crisis will grow greatly. Expect. I am looking forward to finishing my university and starting my business life as soon as possible. Display. With the development of technology, the imaging instruments used in surgeries have also been greatly improved. Cover. The Department of Control and Automation covers most areas of engineering within itself. Color. The code colors of the register taught at the very beginning of the electronic course will be very useful to us in the future. Great. In order to develop Industry 5 no 50 engineers are engaged in large scale research and production. Allow. In order to encourage the production of car construction of spare parts in our country, they must give people the opportunity. Recital. It is very important for mechatronics engineers to know the versatile hardware and textual information system in the market. Together, together with the Elon Musk team, Mars is working day and night to establish a colony. Gelişen strain. Developing humanoid robot technology creates a lot of tension in people and also private communities. Throughout, the Hagwide director should now use technology and have robots make the indicators on the road. Chromixty. With the development of technology today, young children provided close proximity to production and technology. Pilot. Most machines have pilot motors because it is preferable for them to rate it at the same time and at the same time. Must be addressed. The serious backwardness of technology in countries is one of the issues that needs to be addressed. Less expensive. Most of them do buy products from China in order to make electronic cars and their side parts less expensive. Indicator. Currently, the best countries in technology are Asian countries such as China, Japan, and South Korea. Generator. The vehicle used when the is cut off and workplace is a generator and its cost is a little expensive. Experience. Affiliate courses should be processed instead of theoretical courses in engineering and technical science faculty of university because it adds experience and practice. Distance. To measure the distance on the Arduino Uno board, you can use the HCR Super 04 sensor is available. Critical. If you want to learn software, the most critical point is that you learn the software algorithm combination. All humanoid robots work with a combination system, otherwise you will not be able to take any action. Bros. The most common card currently used in robot manufacturing is the Arduino Uno card. Also, robot combination continues to increase rapidly in your country and robot companies that are suppliers are also increasing very quickly. There is very little time left for the factory system to switch to the Industry 5.0 systems. Together, together with the Elon Musk team, Mars is working day and night to establish a colony. Strange. If we someday your companies well in the world market, it will give us high exchange to become a supplier and seller. Robust. Robust. Germany is the most reliable country in the world with machines, cars, sub-industrial equipment. Pump. In order to get rid of the current mucilage pollution in our seas, it is being tried to clean it with powerful pumped vehicles. Peer. English is the most important language that everyone should know, and we also need to improve our peer to improve our English. Mutually. Elon Musk and our president have mutually agreed to send the success 5D statue into space. Level. Level by level development of technology right now will allow you to get to know the universe in the future. Industry. Industrial machines that develop in factories can let more people to unemployment. Global. We are talking about much technology, but we are not talking about global warming, the cold and use. This is a deplorable event experiment. With the developing technology experiment on product human organs with 3D printers are in full swing. Disturbance. It bothers me very much that we are turning to a table in universe. Cross-section. The production of flying cartridge began from section by section to allow human combining. The installation of the machines is taking done slowly and careful, just like assembling Lego pieces. But in order for you get to the good places in your professional life, you need to add a valuable experience to yourself. Amplified. You can now operate with help and or software to operate your car work sure. Voltage. The first thing that electrical workers need to do is take precaution against voltage. Fourth challenge. There is a very famous saying, the pilots we are the children of the people who miss to train encourages me to challenge life more, such as Saka. It seems that the high price that are currently in the technology market will not last long. Rotary. It makes me happy that when I tell people about my project, they give nice feedback to everyone. Qualified. You can create from the Department of Control and Automation of high-class qualified and equipped employees. Perform mass mechanics and software that allows you to make application bring you to very good places in the future with a little effort. Need. Among the professionals they are decently needed in their work are control and automation engineers and engineering. Like with the Arduino Uno programs, you can easily perform positive application using the LDR sensor. Inert. Minus'un robots remain nutrients that person companies as they test with their opponent feedback. Brain. In most electrical systems, brain cables are used to make the different that determine the places which are plus or minus green. Its purpose it is always beneficial to work with salespeople who are specialists in the field of product sales in factory drilling. Special product drilling tools for natural gas and oil exploration are high-cost projects. Current. In the present time, the importance given the technology and production has increased in the many fronts. Comfort. In order for the production staff working at the factory to work efficiently, it is necessary to provide comfortable work opportunities. Work in the port. The residence board of directors is preparing to hold a meeting for the transportation and installation of machines. Uncommon. The uncommon war was made for the development of new weapons robots used in space. Voltmeter. You can use a voltmeter to measure whether there is a short circuit, the circuits or the current. Trace it. You can watch the robot companies on TV watching the lines in the races provided by the Minister of National Education. Roughly, due to the pandemic, it's becoming quite difficult to supply engineers and kids on the world market safely. Thanks to the robotic arms used in factories production is productively quickly and safely. Quickly. One of the orders of control and automation techniques is the quality control. Quality control. 5. Product spikes you can first drive them in the software program and them with operating maintenance and put them on sale. Non-contact. In the new developing technology, you can provide contactless and body to code liner. In order for the drone moving a liner and liner Y, you need to adjust the trajectory moments. Instead, you can press the config control extra extract the result of the code you brought in the Arduino Uno software. Grounds. You can get education about software and technology from the Zen Istanbul course. Future. Raspberry Pi is very full user and advanced card compared to the card segments. Dual. Cables used in electric can be purchased in a dual way, such as male to family. Custom. Siemens, which is special interested in robotic arms, is very involved in the development and production. Commercial. Uh, as the use as as the use of robot systems in the universal field integration, commercial returns become more by receiving input. You can read the information you receive from the inputs on the Arduino card universal or verbally on the serial port system. Any manner. Use of sensor you can use in any robot and machines you want them anyway. Wash. It can be seen that technology of the brash water scrubber used in car wash also calculates all leaves. Train. You can choose the train routes, the education, the cost of transporting material weight by support. We can easily observe so much the sensor support us even into their life. Service personnel. In order to sell the machines or sensor, your you produce value. You need to have a charge constant. Currently, with the developing more proper technology, the amount of sensor production continues to increase. Plus, you need to place sensor on parts of the mechanism in place where you quickly still therapy regularly. Non-professional. With the Salesforce program, you can make shapes with your professional and extrude them with a 3D printer kit. In order not to damage the mechanism working in factories such as oil fluid, and it is one of the maintenance that needs to be done every year. Informatics. With developing information technology, you can make projects cost-wise performance with zero errors in factories. Handling. If you use the sensors, commenting you can encrypt the temperature and cold even in the house where you live. Still, you can work and think space in many fields of employ yourself in the field of automation. Drink. If it responds when you put your hand in front of the motion sensor while it is working its blockage.